Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. And today in science we will do page number 38. Our lesson is more about animals. As we know that animal are living things. They can grow, they eat, and they move one place from one place to another place. And animal we have learned about the land animals, sea animal, insects, birds. These all are animals. Sea animals, fish, insect, birds are also animal, and they live according to their body structure, and their body structure help them to survive in the certain places. As sea animal live in a sea, so their body structure like this. As we can see that fish, dolphin, shark, and other small fish, uh, they have a they have their body which help them to swim in a water fast, right? Some as you can see on the screen, uh, we see exercise page number 38. What you need to do after reading a lesson, you have all the information about the uh, lesson and about the animals. So you will take right if the statement is correct, and you will make cross if the statement is wrong. All right. Number one is no animal can live in the salty water of the sea. As I was talking about the fish and the animal who live in the water. So we see, yes, over here we can say many animal live in water. Some live in ponds, lake and rivers. Other live in the salty water of the sea. सी का वाटर कैसा होता है? सॉल्टी होता है, तो उसमें भी एनिमल रहते हैं. तो दिस इज, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज दिस करेक्ट? No animal can live in the salty water of the sea. So do you think it is correct? No, it is wrong. Number B is the mosquito bites us. The mosquito bite us with its teeth. Mosquito जो bite करता है, काटता है, वो its की teeth से काटता है. Right? Let's see. Over here there are, what is mosquito? Mosquito is an insect, right? So mosquito has a, ये जो है ये क्या है? Antenna है, right? This is called antenna, right? Or over here it is written, they suck our blood or nectar. Some insect have a pipe in their mouth instead of teeth. They suck our blood or nectar or flower with it. Like you drink something with a straw, right? They have pipe. Yeah, this mosquito has a pipe, not teeth. It sucks blood with its pipe. Now, see, the strong muscle of a bird help it to flap its wing. Yes, this is right. All water animal can breathe inside water. No, we can see over here as we were reading in Sea animal. Yes. Some water animal like fish breathe through their gills. Gills help fresh fishes to absorb oxygen present in the water. They breathe inside the water, and also they breathe air dissolved in water. Others, such as whales, have to come up to the surface of water to breathe. Means they take breath inside of water and as well as outside of the water. Now, all water animal can breathe inside the water. So this is wrong. Insect cannot fly. No. See, insect, we will check insect can fly or not, right? These are the insect. Insect are a small animal. They have 6 legs. जिनकी 6 legs होती हैं वो inside. Some of them have wing. Some of have the wing and can fly. ठीक है? Wings होते हैं और वो fly कर सकते हैं, right? So insect can fly. Just like you can see that a mosquito fly, grasshopper fly, honeybee fly, but ye ant, this is ant. Ant cannot fly, ladybird cannot fly. Some insect can fly and some can't fly. We cannot say the insect cannot fly. Baby birds hatch out of eggs. Let's see about baby birds. This is a birds. Now we see female birds lay eggs in the nest. Baby birds hatch out of these eggs, right? Okay, what are the bodies of fish shaped like boats? As I talk about that animal live according to their body structure. Sea animal, yes. So this is, as you can see, that this fish, it has a body like a boat, right? This fish also has a body like a boat, and this structure help fish to swim in a water quickly, fast, right? This structure help fishes to swim. How are baby birds born? Baby birds are born. Baby birds hatch out of eggs, right? Now, next is your home task. Home task is this, that you will paste 3 pictures of birds which cannot fly, right? It is included in your lesson as well. You can take or you can search other birds which cannot fly, right? Okay, students, this is all about today's class. We finish our class over here, and our class it is the end of our lesson as well, right? So now take care. Allah.